throne of my Father, with my worship as a sweet perfume. I come to the feet of my Master, with a broken and a contrite heart. I come to the flames of your water. I offer my failures, all of my triumph. Oh my Lord, take it all. I'm trading my ashes for beauty. Oh my Lord, beauty of your glory. You care for my heart, you care for my soul. You carry the cross that was meant for me, Lord. I give you my heart, I give you my soul, and all that I am, I surrender it all. Surrender it all. Surrender it all. Surrender it all. What's up, guys? My name is Robe, and today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Surrender alias Kimanzi. It's a beginner level song, so if you're a beginner, don't worry about this song. Well, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also, if you have any songs that you'd want me to do tutorials on, always feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if this video helps you out, be sure to leave a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube, and I would really appreciate if you did that. So with that aside, let's kick off right after this. This song is in the key of A, and the progression is 6, 4, 1, and 5. So this is a progression for the intro and the verse, but the chorus has a different progression, which is 1, 5, 6, 4. So well, I'm gonna divide this tutorial into two parts, where I will discuss the progression for the verse and the intro, and then I will on the other part I'll discuss the progression for the chorus, which shares the chorus and the bridge have the same chord progression. Well, so we'll start with the progression for the intro, which is the same as the progression for the verses. So the 6, this is a F sharp minor chord, 6 in the key of A, and well, I am using my pointer finger to bar the 2nd fret, and then my ring finger on string number 5, counting from down up, string number 5, and my small finger, string number 5, fret number 4. So that's that note, which is C sharp note. And then with my small finger, string number 4, but on the 4th fret. So this is a F sharp minor chord. So the chord that follows is a D chord. So this is just the normal D chord, open chord. Pointer finger, string number 3, 2nd fret. Middle finger, string number 1 on the 2nd fret, and ring finger, string number 2 on the 3rd fret, D chord. Then A chord. So this A chord I am barring string 3, 2, string 4, 3, and 2 on the 2nd fret with my pointer finger. So some of you would prefer to use 3 fingers to bar those string number 2, string number 4, 3, and 2 on the 2nd frets. So it's also, you know, this, you could also do that. There's nothing wrong about it. But you know, you can also do this. And the fourth chord is the E chord. So the E chord, I am using my pointer finger on string number 3, fret 1, my middle finger, string number 5. I'm counting from down, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then my ring finger, string number 4 on the 2nd fret. So this is E minor chord. So that's the chords that you know, comprise the progression for the intro and also the, you know, the verse. It starts with the intro. With a desolate and thirsty soul, I come to the throne of my Father. With my worship as a sweet perfume, I come to the feet of my Master. Yeah. You know, something like that. So that's intro and verse. So verse 1, verse 2, you know, same progression and same chords. So right now we're gonna look at the progression for the verse. I mean the chorus and the bridge. So the chorus, the progression is 1, 5, 6, 4. So the one is actually they're the same chords, but the only difference is that they have been arranged in another way in the chorus and the bridge. So the chord A, we've already you know, I've already shown you how to, you know, hold the A chord. So A chord, E chord, F sharp, minor chord, and the D chord. You care for my heart, you care for my soul, you carry the cross that was meant for me, Lord. I give you my heart, I give you my soul, and all that I can, surrender it all, surrender it all. So that's the chorus. I'm gonna show you a simple strumming pattern that you could use. Actually, the strumming pattern that I'm using. And this strumming pattern, if you have been following my tutorials, I'm pretty sure you should be familiar with this strumming pattern. It works with many songs. Down, up, down, up, down. 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 So if the strumming pattern isn't if you're not very, you know, good with this strumming pattern, you can practice it by you know, just mute the strings mute the strings, excuse, and then just play it by itself, you know. And it's good to sing it also. Down, up, down, up, down. 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 So that's it for this tutorial, guys. I try to be clear as as possible. So if I wasn't clear anywhere, you could let me know on the comment area, so that maybe I could do or revise whatever wasn't clear in the next tutorial. So thanks for tuning in. I have a cold, sorry for that. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And let's see each other on the next tutorial.